Simple machines are mechanical devices that are used for the purpose of changing the direction or magnitude of force. There are 6 simple machines which make our daily lives easier. They are the wheel and axle, lever, inclined plane, wedge, the pulley, and the screw. First, let's talk about the wheel and axle. The wheel and axle is a simple machine consisting of a grooved wheel with the central pole as its axis. The radius of the wheel, or effort arm, corresponds to the force which is being applied, while the axle represents the resistance arm. When the radius of the wheel is longer than the radius of the axle, a mechanical advantage is achieved. The next simple machine we'll be talking about is the lever. The lever consists of a beam or rod that is free to pivot on a fixed or stationary point called the fulcrum. The idea is to move a load which is located at one end of a plank with a force that is applied at the other end. The closer the object is to the fulcrum, the easier the load is to move. The next simple machine is the inclined plane. As seen here, this wheelchair ramp is an example of an inclined plane. The inclined plane reduces the force necessary to move objects from one elevation to another. As the slant of an inclined plane decreases, the mechanical advantage increases, making it easier to move heavier loads. A wedge is a simple machine that is used to push 2 objects apart or cut an object into 2 pieces. A wedge is made up of 2 inclined planes that meet and form a sharp edge. Wedges may come in the form of a knife, a doorstop, scissors, or a shovel. Hedge trimmers, as seen here, are an example of a wedge that can cut an object into 2 pieces. The 5th simple machine we'll talk about today is the pulley. The pulley is made of a grooved wheel with a rope, belt, or cable passing through it that helps to lift heavy loads by changing either the direction or increasing the magnitude of force applied on a load. The final simple machine is the screw. The screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder that is used to hold objects together. A screw has 2 parts. The inclined plane is the thread that wraps around the screw, and the cylinder, which is the long rod. Jar lids are made like a screw so that the lid can hold the jar closed. So is the end of a light bulb. Now that we have reviewed the 6 types of simple machines, your assignment is to list all 6 simple machines and draw an example of each of them. Good luck!